Hello everyone, welcome today, in the daily newspaper of Monday, Monday, new week, January 24th, 2022. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku, and we have also an additional here, with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 6 of them, 3 of them, half of them I will solve. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars. Tectonic, we have a 4 star Sudoku, tectonic, and a 1 star tectonic. Then we have a binary puzzles. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so only 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. I will solve the 3 stars, the tectonic, and the binary. But first, we will solve this baby number. This will be number 4023. Yeah, 4023. Let me. And news of today is, yesterday there's a daily record broken. Yeah, 65,000 65,000, yes. 65k people infected with corona, Omicron, yes. And it's still increasing. Well, alright. And before I start with this medium Sudoku, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars. A 2 stars puzzle, I need to be, my time limit here should be 15 to 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So on first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 3. Not so good to choose the 3. How about the 4? 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 7. The 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Yeah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. In this second row, one of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Hey, wait. Cannot continue with 8. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. We have now 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing, 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So here we have the first pair, and what is the other pair in this big square? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. The 9 in this row. The 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the last row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Okay, 9, 9. 1, 2, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 4. Alright, alright. 9, 9, okay. So we have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. Now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Alright. Alright. Then the following number, let me see, 6, 5, 9. Yeah. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. Ah, we have a pair. Well, a pair. No, it's not a pair. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 8 to be here, here, or there. You see there an 8? No 8 there, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Same for the 2. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. You see that 2? No 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. So here, these 3 boxes are reserved for the 289, 289. So what are the other 2 numbers in this column? 289. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. Well, let me mark those. And these 3 missing numbers in this big square. 7 is missing. 4 is missing. And 5 is missing. Yeah. Yeah. All right. How about? Yeah. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Well, in these 4 missing numbers in this row, one of the missing number is a 4. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a 4 there. Here also a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, another 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in the third row, last row, 3 in the second row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes here. An 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. Okay. So this should be 6 and a 5. 6 and a 9. Yeah. Yeah. 7, 4, 4, 4, 4. Let me think. 2, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. 6, 7, 9, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 in that box. Here 7 in the second column, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 7. Should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing here. 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6 and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left. 6 and a 5, I believe. Yeah, 6 and a 5. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And I've marked this box also with the 6 and a 5. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Interesting. Here also, the third row. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. And look, we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in that box. Big square for the number 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. I believe, yes, 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Before I leave, these numbers I'm analyzing. A couple of days ago, I start with analyzing, and maybe I see a pattern, but I do not know. Maybe you can see this. Okay, let me see. 514 657 657 823 823. So we have 1 pair, I believe. Yeah. Okay. See you later. Bye bye for now.